Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy, your go-to place to learn web development the right way. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support this growing learning community. You are watching part 13 of our complete HTML master series, HTML5 input types and validation. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover various HTML5 input types, explore built-in validation features, and show you how to create user-friendly forms for better user experience. This video is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers, or anyone looking to build effective and user-friendly web forms. So, let us dive into the code and start learning by doing. Practical hands-on experience is the best way to master HTML. HTML5 introduced new input types that enhance form usability and provide native validation like email, date, number, and color pickers. The email input type ensures the user enters a valid email format. The required attribute makes this field mandatory. Date inputs shows a calendar picker, while number inputs allow only numeric values with optional min and max limits. You can control form inputs further with validation attributes like required fields, length limits, regex pattern, and numeric ranges. The pattern attribute uses regular expressions to validate input formats. Here, the phone number must be exactly 10 digits. Most modern browsers validate inputs automatically and display error messages, preventing form submission if validation fails. You can add helpful hints using the title attribute and combine native validation with JavaScript for complex scenarios. To summarize, HTML5 input types and validation attributes make your forms more user friendly and robust, reducing the need for extra coding. Next, we will explore exciting HTML5 APIs, including drag and drop features and local storage for dynamic web apps. If this video helped you Please like, share, and subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy. Tap the bell icon to get notified about new tutorials.